Have you ever felt like things just keep going wrong, that no matter how hard you try, you help others, stay honest, do your best, and yet your life feels stuck, and your luck seems to vanish? Have you wondered why some people appear to radiate abundance and peace, while others, despite effort and prayer, constantly struggle? Could it be that you've unknowingly used up your blessings? And more importantly, can those blessings be restored? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're uncovering a secret that ancient wisdom has preserved for centuries, but modern life has largely forgotten. Your blessings are real, they are measurable, energetic, and finite, but the good news, they can be replenished. Yes, you can restore what you've lost, and one of the most powerful yet misunderstood methods is through chanting, with heart, with sincerity. This is not superstition. This is spiritual science. Let's begin with the concept of blessings or spiritual merit. In Buddhist and Chinese wisdom traditions, blessings are seen as invisible energy credits earned through good deeds, pure thoughts, and virtuous living. This merit protects you, opens doors, and invites grace. But just like a bank account, if you keep withdrawing without depositing, eventually it runs dry. What causes blessings to drain? Here are just a few examples. Speaking harsh words, even unintentionally. Harboring resentment or envy. Being ungrateful to those who help you. Taking advantage of kindness. Breaking promises. Indulging in gossip. Neglecting parents or elders. Taking more than what is fair, even emotionally. These small leaks, when repeated over time, led to energetic poverty. You may still function, you may still look fine, but inside, the light dims, you feel blocked, heavy, lucky. Here's the good news: just as you can lose blessings, you can win them back. And one of the most powerful tools, mantra chanting. Let's understand why. Mantra is not just a string of words, it is a vibrational bridge between you and the spiritual dimension. Each mantra carries a unique frequency that activates specific energies in your field. Some bring peace, some dissolve fear. Others, like those associated with compassion or repentance, can literally patch up your leaking karmic field. Imagine your spiritual body like a worn-out rope, holes where your anger burned through, hairs where your selfishness pulled too hard, stings from neglect. Mantra chanting is like sewing, cleansing, mending. Slowly, stitch by stitch, your aura becomes whole again. Let's hear a true story. Man once approached a Buddhist master with deep sorrow. "My life is a mess," he said. "My business failed. My children resent me. My health is fragile. Think I've used up all my luck." The master smiled and handed him a piece of paper. "Read. Chant the great compassion mantra 3 times a day. Dawn, noon, dusk." He was skeptical. "That's it," he said. The master nodded. "That's the beginning." The man followed the instruction. The first week, nothing changed. The second week, he felt a strange warmth during chanting. By the third month, small blessings returned. A friend offered help without being asked. His son called unexpectedly with kindness. An old debt was repaid to him. After a year, he returned to the master and said, "I don't know what happened, but I feel rich again, not in money, but in life." This is what daily chanting does. Builds silent momentum. Attracts unseen support. Realigns your destiny. But here's the key, it must be done with sincerity. You don't chant like casting a spell, you chant like watering a seed, with care, with patience, with devotion. Let's now explore how chanting restores blessings. Vibrational cleansing. When you chant a sacred mantra, your own energetic field begins to resonate at a higher frequency. This vibration dissolves stagnant energy or resentment, guilt, anger that blocks blessings from flowing. Merit accumulation. Chanting, especially for the benefit of others, generates powerful merit. It's a form of spiritual generosity. Each repetition is like planting a seed of light in your future. Karmic rebalancing. Certain mantras are known for their power to purify past actions. When combined with heartfelt remorse and a commitment to change, they accelerate karmic healing. Magnetizing protection. As your aura strengthens through chanting, you become less vulnerable to misfortune. Accidents are avoided. Success are shortened. Harm is redirected. Now, which mantras are best for restoring lost blessings? Here are 3 profoundly effective ones. The Great Compassion Mantra, Dabisu. Mantra of Avalokiteshvara, the Bodhisattva of compassion. It cleanses karmic debt, opens the heart, and attracts divine protection. Amitabha. Recitation of Amitabha Buddha's name. Associated with infinite light and life, this mantra purifies the mind and prepares the soul for peace and rebirth. Repentance mantras. Short phrases like Tam Varasattvaham, used in Tibetan Buddhism for deep karmic purification. But no matter which mantra you choose, the key is consistency. Here's a suggested practice. Warning, chant while the sun rises. Let it be the first vibration you offer to the world. Day, pause, even 5 minutes can reset your energy. Evening, chant before bed, for forgiveness, for cleansing, sleep in peace. You can also chant silently while walking, cooking, waiting in line. Let the mantra live in your breath. Now let's talk about belief. What if you don't believe in it? That's okay. Mantras work like sunlight on a seed. The seed doesn't need to believe, it just needs light. And anyway, let the vibration do the work. You'll begin to feel the difference. Some signs your blessings are returning. Sudden lightness or clarity. The old wound healing unexpectedly. Support arriving unasked. Ease replacing anxiety. Recurring problem dissolving. Kindness from strangers. New opportunities with less struggle. These are not coincidences. They are signs that the river of grace is flowing again. Let's close with a powerful metaphor from the sutras. Your life is like a lamp. When your blessings are strong, the lamp shines bright, but when greed, anger, or ignorance enter, the bulb drains, the flame flickers. Chanting is the act of refilling the bulb. And when you do it daily, the lamp doesn't just shine for you, it lights the path for others. So we invite you now, start today. Choose a mantra, commit to 21 days, track the shifts, write down small blessings. Notice how your energy changes. And if you've already experienced transformation through chanting, share your story in the comments. Let your journey inspire someone else. Remember, your blessings are not gone. They were simply waiting to be invited back. All them hone with your voice, with your heart, with your practice. Subscribe, like, and support this channel. Together, let us rebuild the light, one chant at a time.